Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you this pattern how to crochet coasters. They are made with polymer cord 4mm and they are very good size for standard mark. A very nice pattern, very nice design. It is minimalist, but it is very sturdy and exactly what you need for your dining table. I enjoyed making these coasters. I hope you will enjoy making it with me. 5.5mm crochet hook, smaller size hook to put away our ends, lighter. This is optional, be careful with this. I will show you how to finish these coasters nicely using the lighter. So how we tie all those ends and make it nice. We will start with slip knot. It is almost slip knot. This is magic loop or magic circle, and this is how we do. Don't pull this loop, make chain 1. Just watch how I'm doing it. This is much easier than you think. And making 2 chain stitches. The pattern will be written on the screen for your convenience. Please take a screenshot, write it down, or crochet with me, follow along. We start with making 12 double crochets in the magic circle. If you want to make a mug cozy as you saw in the beginning of my video, lovely, cute mug cozy with love heart, please check my tutorials. Click on Hobbi crochet icon, scroll down to see all my videos, and you will see this tutorial and many more. Very nice, very easy, or maybe not so easy, for beginners, for advanced crocheters. Lots of tutorials you will like. Please subscribe to my channel, put a comments, maybe share with your friends. And so we are making 12 double crochets for first round. Slip stitch in the third chain stitch, this is the end of round 1. For the second round we start making half double crochet and double crochet in the first stitch. This is half double crochet, double crochet. Three trebles in the next stitch. This is very easy pattern, you can follow along. You can make it using different type of yarn. It will work very well as well. So experiment with a different type of yarn. Maybe put in a comment how do you do, what type of yarn would you use. I had this cord for a while, that's why I'm trying to get a good use of it. Next stitch, repeat 3 trebles. Next stitch 3 double crochets. Next stitch 3 double crochets. Next stitch 2 double crochets. And treble. And you are in the middle of the pattern. You have made half of the heart. Watch me making a picot, and we will go back with exactly the same pattern. If you haven't worked with this type of yarn with polyester cord, please watch how I finish this coaster. Start with treble and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Next stitch 3 trebles or 3 doubles. One more stitch, 3 double crochets. Next stitch 3 trebles. One more stitch with 3 treble crochets. And you have one last stitch. It will be 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. And this is the pattern. Let's finish it nicely and seamlessly. And for that I will be using smaller size hook, maybe 2.5 millimeters crochet hook or any small size hook you've got. You can use the needle with large opening. I just couldn't find the needle that is suitable for this size of cord. And I'm doing my last stitch like this to finish this coaster nicely. This is not the end, please keep watching, and I will show you how to finish this coaster. First I will run this end through with smaller size hook to one side. It is very slippery, it is very hard, and you want to finish this coaster that it doesn't go undone. It will require a little bit more job than you would use with normal yarn, because you can't just cut this and leave this. Well, you can, of course you can, but I want to show you how I would do that, how I'm doing it. I would run it one direction, then I would change direction and run it the other way, and this helps to tangle these ends. Don't cut it very close because we will use the lighter. I will show you how to use the lighter on this. Please be careful with the lighter. You need to melt this end, only the end and nothing more. Use the lighter to squash this, and because it's nylon or polypropylene, correct name, polypropylene cord, this melts very nicely. And I will do exactly the same with my second end, the one with the magic loop or magic circle. If you know the other way how to finish this, please let me know. Be careful with the lighter, you can melt the whole of your coaster. Maybe just practice a little bit on the end before you start melting your coaster. And this is how it will look. Hope you enjoy this pattern. Give me thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorial. I think I will be using this cord for some other tutorials. Give me some ideas in your comments.